Well, hopefully we're recording here. So just entered the pound here, sold the pound dollar. As you can see down here a few minutes ago. And let me get my screens all worked out here. Put that over there. So most of the news is out for the day, and London's got less than 2 hours of serious trading to go, and obviously the pound reacted to some of the news coming out today. There was quite a lot of news on the, if I can just find it here from, where is it, over here. So there was a whole, the pound, the rate, everyone agreed. Monetary policy, official bank rate stays the same, all as predicted. And the other data was all kind of okay. So going back to the actual screen, it looks like this. Give you a big picture daily. So going for a very small pullback for 10 pips. So we're green line is entering, red line is the profit. The 4-hour chart, and down to the 1-hour chart, and you'll notice some divergence here. Price going up, and the volume, which is very important, is going down. So this is the way it looks, and it all looks quite promising. Let's go down to the 5-minute here, and I don't often look at the 1 minute, but just for fun, this is what it looks like. So just see if it pulls back 10 pips, which would be very nice. This is our trade size here, 0.03 or a lot. Trade with sizes you're comfortable with, but basically big picture. This is the way it looks, and because of divergence and the news is all out for the day, and I have not put a serious amount on it. We've only got 750 on out of 500, and if you want to place an order, this is how you do it. In fact, I might not do it because I'd want to get in at 50. You can even put in pending orders, so sell limits. Get used to the demo platform. Say pending order. I'm not actually sure if this will be accepted. Let's try it. No, it's too close to the price. But you get the idea. Get used to using that. How am I doing on time here? Okay, I'm 3 minutes 40 and I've got a maximum of 5 minutes, actually 4 minutes on this. So I'll upload this to the channel, wherever you are in the world today, from me in the trading room. Hope you're fitting well. Be good to each other. All the best, and thanks for watching. Hope it helps.